Hi everyone, and welcome back. Now, today is the last day. Can you imagine it? So, today we will finish with the meditation. So, how do you feel, from day one until day 30? You should be feeling so grateful if you religiously practice every day and just notice how your body has changed and just notice each and every muscles and joints in the body. Does it feel a little bit better or has it been the same? So you need to take all this in and just take take it in and just take full consideration of how your body's feeling. So without further ado, I want you guys to just come join me and sit down in your most comfortable position. So today, of course, we're going to meditate about gratefulness because you have committed that 30 days and you should be very grateful to your body and to yourself, especially your mind. Because to put yourself and dedicate yourself throughout these 30 days is pretty hard, I have to say. So give yourself a pat on the back and be really grateful of what your body and your mind can do. All right, so we're gonna start off right now. So hands on your knees, we're gonna roll that shoulders back, get yourself really comfortable here. So since it's your last days, we're going to really focus on my instruction and also always bring the awareness back to your breath again. All right, so begin to close your eyes. And as usual, we will start from your surrounding. Observing the sound, observing any particular smells, and also observing any wind lightly brushes the skin. Observe any sorts of physical sensation. And allow all this awareness to absorb into your body. And you're going to let it go on your exhale. And just let it go. Feel yourself getting lighter, getting more free. And just let the mind concentrate on only one thing, which is the breath. And now slowly we're going to bring the awareness to the body. Taking this moment, scanning from the top of your head all the way down to your feet. Observing any changes in your body. Observing any soreness, any tightness, or maybe even tiredness that you're feeling right now. As we focus on our physical and also emotion state, try to not dive in too much. We just want to take note of each and every sensation and feelings that you have. Just let it go on your exhale. And let yourself know one thing, and one thing only, is to be grateful, to have all these feelings, all this sensation. be able to wake up every morning to experience and explore. Allow yourself to have just a short moment to thank each and every part of the body. I'm grateful to have a body that able to do whatever you want without stopping you. Everyone comes in different forms and sizes, but knowing that you treasure your own body and be grateful that you're able to wake up every morning to do the things you love, to do the things that you have dedicated to. And last but not least, to do the things that you have dreamed of. So just let those breaths take over now. You know that you are grateful to yourself. But now, we're all going to let it go. And bring the awareness to your breath. And breathing without any special way. Just let the air travels in and out of your body very, very naturally. Now, as I mentioned before, all sorts of thoughts will come into your mind. So just treat these thoughts like the ocean, like the wave in the ocean. It's just going to come in and stream away. So if you do have thoughts that comes in, just show its way out of your mind. All you have to do is just take note of these thoughts that come into your mind. It can be good or bad, whichever it is. Try your best not to judge those thoughts, but instead exhale and let it go. Also, but there are times that you tend to ride along with your thoughts, and that is completely normal as well. All you have to do is just come back to your attention and intention, which is your breath. Whatever happens, your body is still here. Your mind will come back to the body no matter what. And now as you are concentrating on your breath, we begin to gently and slowly scanning around the body. Just let the body, give it a little acknowledge, to tell them to just relax. We begin with our facial muscles, relaxing each and every muscles on your face, starting from the forehead, the nose area, your eyes area, your cheek, your mouth, your jaw. Try your best to unclench your teeth if you're having them clenched. And now slowly relax the neck. Relax the shoulders. Relax both arms. Relax both palms. Relax all your fingers. Relax the chest. Relax the abdomen. And feel the natural spine on your back. Relax the hip. Relax both legs. Relax your feet. Relax your toes. Relax your arm. Relax both palms. Relax your fingers. As your body stays calm and quiet, just keep focusing on your breath. And slowly just bring the awareness back to the center. If you're controlling your breathing, release them. If you're controlling your thoughts, release them. You can think of anything you want right now. And begin to get really familiar with your surrounding again. The sound, the particular smells again, and also any physical sensation. Slowly, whenever you're ready, you can always gently blink your eyes open. And just pause for a bit. Gaze forward. And exhale, let it go. You can roll the shoulders back and forth. You can turn your head side to side. And up and down. right. Thank you once again for joining me in this Yoga for Beginners series. I hope you enjoyed once again. I hope I've said it many, many times, but if you have any feedback, to drop me a direct message or you can comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe as we are publishing new videos on a weekly basis. I'll see you guys another round, another time. Namaste.